Hello, 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 hello. Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Anybody tell me? Can you hear me? Yeah. Oracle 19C. Observe it here. Today, don't write it anything because first non-technical person understandable purpose demo class this one. Observe it here. Everyone knows Oracle is a product, a software product from Oracle Corporation. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, same like a Python, same like a AI. This is a software product. But from Oracle Corporation, this product was released. Okay, yeah. What is 19 means version number in that software version number. 1978 year onwards, Oracle was released so many versions. Oracle 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 6.0, 6.1, 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1.5, 8.1.6, 8.1.7. These three version combination is also called as 8i. Next version is 9i. Next version is 10G. Next version is 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, 21C, 23C. These are the versions. One of the version is 19. 19 onwards, some difference is there. That's why we are starting that one. Here C means cloud computing. Nowadays, cloud technology everyone knows. That's why Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. 19C is a version number. That is, I know, you know, everyone knows. But what is this Oracle product? Suppose SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, Sybase. These are software products. But what type of software product means? Everyone knows these are database products. Observe it here, database. Oracle is a database product. Can you observe it? Yes, Oracle is a database product. Now check it out. Here, concentrate here. Don't write it, just observe it here. Oracle is a database product or not? Yes, I'm installing Oracle. You are also installing Oracle in a future. I will tell you installation, all the things only. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. This is a database product. Okay, yeah. Screen observe it. Here 19C Oracle is a database product. What is database means? I will tell you, don't worry. But just observe here, database product. Now, what is the purpose of database product means? Once you are also, I am also installing this database product into our system, then by using this product to store data permanently, to store data, either company data, outside data, anything, or now to store data permanently, to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. In secondary storage devices means hard disk or not? Yes. Secondary storage devices. Up to this one, everyone knows. Maybe any non-technical persons are there. 1 minute, observe it here. Technical person means everyone knows. Now check it out. Okay, na? Yeah. Up to this one, everyone knows. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose your company data, or any employee joining in a company, again sales details, otherwise transaction details, otherwise railway reservation side, otherwise flight reservation, otherwise bus reservation. These all the details are stored in where some place are required or not? Yes, permanent. Suppose Amazon, Flipkart, through you are purchasing a what, any items, those all the things, details are stored in where? Your orders details are stored in where? In a database. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why database is a place where we can store data. I know, you know, everyone knows, but now onwards, slightly difference. Concentrate here. Now check it out. Observe it here. Here, observe it. Hello, hello, hello. It is audible now. One fellow is telling voice is not clear, sir. Okay, maybe any network problem is there. Okay, yeah. Anything is not audible means please tell me. Okay, yeah. Now it is audible. Hello, hello, hello. Is it okay? Yeah. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose I am installing a Oracle software, for example, in my system. Slowly observe here. One place is created in a disk only. Okay, na? Yeah. This is called a database. It is a place. I know, you know, everyone knows. Now, slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. I am asking one question now. In this place, I am also here also try to store any random collection of data, possible or not possible. Any type of data can we store? Can we store any type of data in this database? Possible or not possible? Very good. Everyone telling a what a wrong answer. Any type of data also possible. They are telling this is wrong one. Wrong one. Okay, we cannot store random collection of data. Impossible. Only we are allowed to store structured collection of data. Why? Oracle is a database software was implemented based on one concept is there that is called a relational data model. In a future, I will tell you what is relational data model. SQL Server is a database product is there that is implemented based on relational data model is a concept. MySQL is a database is there that is also popular database. That database was implemented based on relational data model. That's why always these relational data model products stores only structured collection of data. Suppose nowadays MongoDB is there, that is a what? Unstructured. There is no SQL database is there. First observed here, these are relational database products. Observed here. Now that's why Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a product from Microsoft. MySQL is open source. Teradata from NCR Corporation. I will tell you differences on all these things in one of the days. Now check it out. Observe here. This is a Oracle database. For example, whenever we are installing a Oracle software, Oracle database. Database means container. Database. Some place is created. In this database, we are storing a what? Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data means table format only data storing. Okay. Yeah. Why means EF Cod, he is a father of the relational data model. He is working in a where IBM company in a old and is 1970. He was only introduced what relational data model because he is a mathematician. He is a mathematician. That's why he's represented data in the format of matrix. Matrix are nothing but rows and columns. Okay. Yes. Now check it out. Those stories later you are familiar. Or maybe this database stores a what? Structured collection of data. Observe here. This is structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. Structured collection of data. One fellow is telling only, Murali, sir, I am a non-technical person. What is the difference? These all the things I'm confusing only. They are telling. Okay, 1 minute. Observe here. Here, Oracle is a popular relational data model product. That is a database product from Oracle Corporation. Okay, na? Yeah. SQL Server also relational data model product. That is also popular product from Microsoft company. Different company products. These are all relational data model products. Suppose MySQL is a database product. That is also popular database product. That is open source. But nowadays Oracle was purchasing. This is also relational data model products. In these database software side also different companies also, but structured collection of data is there. Okay, na? Yeah. Again, Teradata is a what? Popular database product from NCR Corporation. Sybase is a popular database product from Ingress company. Postgres is a what? Popular database product from Ingress company. That's why different. Suppose in your mobile also SQLite is a database is there, not a Oracle, because phone numbers, so many okay details are how it will be storing in a database software is there internally. That's why that is a SQLite is a database. That is also relational data model. SQLite is a database that is from Oracle Corporation. That's why always structured collection of data is there in these all databases. Which type of data is there? Structured collection of data. Once a structured collection of data is there, you are also operating a what this data. Suppose you are a software engineer, you are an end user, you are a customer, you are a developer. Yes, you are operating a what this data in these databases. Then ANSI ISO SQL provided one universal language. Which language? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One fellow is telling. Correct. SQL is a language, structured query language. If you want to operate a data in these relational data model products, one universal language is there. What is that language? SQL language. SQL language means same like English type language. This is a non-procedural language. Loops are not there. Variables are not there. Difficulty is not there. Suppose C language, Java, .NET, Python, these type of languages side, loops are there, variables are there, little bit of difficult programming skills are required. But here, not required. Here, update, delete, insert, select, some small English-like commands are there. This is a non-procedural language that is called SQL language, structured query language. By using this SQL language, we are operating a data in these relational data model products. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Really, this is correct. 1 minute, observe here. Suppose this is a database is there. Okay, for example, Oracle database I'm installing. In a future, you are also installing. I will tell you, don't worry. First, observe it here. In this database, collection of tables are there. Really? Yes. Structured collection of data is there. Yes. Now check it out. Oracle Corporation giving practice tables like this. Yes, EMP employee details are there. Observe here. Is a table is there or not? These type of tables you are also creating later. And now check it out. EMP is an employee table. In this table, observe it here. Yes. These are called columns. Same like a matrix. No? Employee number, E name, job, MGR, hire date, joining date, salary, commission, department number is there. No? These are called columns or attributes. Here data is there. These are called rows. Oh, Smith is an employee. His job is what? Clerk only. Maybe his manager 7902 is joining date 17th December 1980. He is getting a salary 800. Commission is not getting only 20th department is belongs to. This is called row. This is called row. Horizontally is called record or rows only. Okay, na? These are data. Okay, na? Rows. Now observe here. This table contain a what? Structured data. Really structured data? Yes, you are observing 1 minute means you are also telling this is a structured data. Why means observe it here. This is a column, observe it here. What employee number column, observe it here. In this column only numbers are available. Okay, na? Yeah. In this column only strings are available. In this column only dates are available. Observe here, organized fashion only. Data is storing or not? Yes. Yes, again observe here. Structured collection of data or not? Check it out. Select star from what is the table is there. For example, DEPT is a table is there. Observe here. Concentrate here. Now, in this table, department table Oracle provided. Department number, D name, location. These are called columns. Here, 10th department, accounting, New York is a location. For example, this is a database is there. What the users means later. First observe here. Suppose you are a software engineer, you are working in a company. New York is a location is there, for example. Suddenly your manager asking only change this New York location into Hyderabad is a location. They're asking. Then you are a good professional means you are typing a what some command. Observe here. Update table name set here location is equal to Hyderabad. Okay, na? These type of coding you are writing only. This is not a difficult coding, very easy. I will tell you how can I, what is that one. Okay, na? Whenever you are typing like this, now automatically that New York location was changed into where? Hyderabad. Okay, very good. And now check it out. Observe here. Yes. Now here in a previous case, New York location is there. Now it will be changed into where? Hyderabad is a location. How it is possible? You are a software engineer means you are typing a what in a back end side you are working means just this command you are typing only. This is called which language? SQL language. This language you are learning a what in our class? Structured query language. Structured query language, very important language. What is the difference between Oracle or SQL Server, MySQL with these all languages, databases, SQL language same or not? I will tell you today. Don't worry. SQL is a language. Okay, na? Yeah, very good. Now check it out. Concentrate. Most powerful. Now check it out. What is the class timings? They're asking only. Actually 5 o'clock. They're giving a time 5 to 6. So minimum 1 hour. Okay, na? Later 2 hours also. Why? Because PLSQL also you are attending. Don't worry. And now 1 minute observe here. Concentrate. This is a structured query language. Okay, na? SQL language. Screen observe it. Screen observe it. Very important. Very important. These all the things. And now check it out. Why we are learning? What is that one? I will tell you. First observe it here. Suppose so many classes daily I'm interact with the students only. In one of the class, I am designing a what one table in my class only. Observe it here. This is a sales project side. Select a star from item is a table is there. Observe it here. I am designing this one. One of the class side. Observe it here. Here, sales August side. August month sales. TV, laptops, and ACC in a one company. 10 TVs, 20 laptops, and 30 ACs. They are selling only. In a September, sales is in that company, TVs, laptops, ACs means 20, 30, 40 is there. Why we are required a software engineer to operate this data? This is also relational data model product. That's why table format only data is storing or not. Yes, suppose suddenly, observe here, why we are learning what this course, this SQL language means. Observe here, concentrate. Suppose in my company, this is a table is there. My client asking, Murali, here August and September sales are there, each and every product, but I want total sales in a report only. Display what are the total sales, what is the total sales are there in our screen only. They're asking. Okay, so much of design is there. Observe here. Then I am a software engineer means simple, within a fraction of second I am not calculating 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus. Okay, suppose here 6 rows are there, not a problem. Suppose 1 lakh records are there, manually calculating very difficult or not. That's why we are using a what? SQL language. Select here some functions you have an idea in a future. Okay, na? Yeah, suppose I am a software engineer, I am a SQL programmer means I am writing a what like this. And now here some queries I am writing. This is SQL language. Observe here, whenever I am typing within fraction of second something only, then automatically total says how much? 150. Calculating or not, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, then automatically 150. Simple. Oh, total sales is 150. Easily occasion of identifying by manager or not? Yes, I rather 30%. But some okay, my manager asking Murali, okay, not only this total sales, I want to display along with these all details. I want to display these details also. They're asking. Then I am a good experienced person means I am trying to display this okay total data, all other columns along with this function means it won't work. There is a problem. I want to display aggregate function, a sum, average, max, min. These are called aggregate functions. These are called group functions. If you are trying to display a group function with another columns in any database, it won't work. Impossible. Error. Observe here, error. That's why learning subject is very important. Now, suppose I am a very good software engineer, I am a very good SQL programmer means within fraction of seconds solve this problem. Yes, I am converting a what? This group function into where analytical function or window function, whatever is a clause is there, then possible. What is that? What all the things later, subject wise, I will tell you. Most powerful. Observe it here. Yes, how much easy. I'm experienced person means I'm writing a what like this easily. Okay, handling only. But you are a first time newcomer, you don't know this one. That's why you are learning properly. Subject is very important. Now suppose here, now check it out, 150 is a what? Each and every, okay, some month sales also I want only. August month total sales I want. Yes, September month total sales I want means just here partition by, order by, okay, so rows and range clauses are there. For example, observe here, partition by month something I'm writing. Each and every month total sales, month wise. Here observe it here. This is a scale long ways. Now observe it here, month wise total sales also I try to display. Observe it here. Yes, in August month total sales, observe it here. August month side here 10 plus 20 plus 30, 60. Again here September month total sales how much? 20 plus 30 plus 40, that is 90. Simple, no? That's why you are writing a what, some piece of coding, then automatically now here, then automatically some reports are generated or not. That is called SQL language. Okay, now understood this one? That's why Oracle is a popular product from Oracle Corporation. What type of product this one? Database product. What is the purpose of this database product? Means to store data permanently in secondary storage devices. Suppose today you are storing our data in this database software in our disk, means after 100 years, after 1000 years also the data is there. We are not available also, data is available. Okay, na? Yeah. And now check it out. Observe it here. Screen observe it. Now onwards observe it here. Different. Again different. Suppose I am a Oracle programmer in a project side, for example. I want to operate a data from my database, then I am learning a what? I am using a what? Which languages? Very good. One is SQL is a language, not only SQL language. Another language is there, very, very important. Anybody have an idea? Very good. PLSQL. That is procedural language extension for SQL. Java developers, Python developers also must familiar. Stored procedures is a concept is there in a PLSQL. That is mandatory in every web-based application programmer, because how you are sending a data from Java into where? Database. How return values are displayed in a where? From database into where? Java or Python or .NET, like that only. Compulsory this knowledge is required here. PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. Nowadays PLSQL developer jobs also, so many jobs are there. Nobody knows actually. From Java backend, Java, .NET backend only they are learning, but awareness is very less. Without any knowledge also, PLSQL perfectly you are learning also, job guarantee. Without any knowledge also, only SQL you are good, and also any tools you have an idea, in a tab you, quick you, okay, Power BI, these type of tools you are learning about, GUI tools, job guarantee. That much of powerful, but awareness is not there. And now observe it here. Yes, if you want to operate a what? Oracle, then we are using a what? SQL is a language. Another language is what? PLSQL. After SQL or middle of SQL, I will start PLSQL also, don't worry. Procedure language extension for SQL. Again, another language you don't have an idea, not a problem. There is a less importance. That is a what? A dynamic SQL. Dynamic SQL. That's why you are a good software engineer, you are a good Oracle developer in a company side, then you are very good knowledge in aware SQL and PLSQL knowledge enough. Dynamic SQL is optional, only 3 or 2 days within that one you are learning, that easy. That's why I always observe here. If you want to operate a what Oracle, then we are using a what? Which languages? SQL language, PLSQL language, dynamic SQL language. Suppose you are learning a course, for example, don't worry, okay, Oracle course means in a worldwide also you are learning a Oracle course means these languages they are telling, okay, but in SQL language which concepts we are learning, don't write it, just observe. So many concepts are there. Main concepts are joins. Anybody Java developers are there in our class? They have an idea. Joins means retrieve data from multiple tables. Left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, natural join, self join, so many concepts are there, no? Yeah, very important. Another one is constraints. Primary key, foreign key, check, unique, something only I am writing because first time newcomers doesn't know, just roughly. Now here constraints, primary key, foreign key, unique, not null, check, these type of things. Valid data maintaining purpose. Again, another one very important in SQL language, every database, subqueries we are learning. Subquery, query within another query. Suppose you are attending an interview, you are a Java developer, you don't know anything. Suppose database, you don't have an idea, but minimum knowledge is required database. That's why after Java, whatever questions they are asking, immediately they are asking a filtering purpose. Write a query to delete it, to delete duplicate rows from a table. They are asking. You are not writing, means rejected. Simple. Suppose write a query to display nth highest salary employee. Write a query to display second highest salary employee. They are asking popular queries. In YouTube, you are observing also. In a database also, you are observing also. Same queries are there. Why they are asking that one, means minimum knowledge is required. You are writing a what that query means, really you are a good professional in a database. That's why those persons only they are taking a what in a company side. Knowledge, very important. That's why those all the things we are learning in every database side, sub query chapter side. Very, very important chapter, this one. That's why, okay, SQL means, yes, so here subquery, some concepts are there. Again, PLSQL means cursors, exceptions, procedures, something is there. Maybe some Java developers are having idea, stored procedures. In parameter, out parameter, in out parameter, like this. These are all the things we are learning. Okay, yeah. All the concepts are not required, but Java side, which concepts require that one? .NET side, which concepts require that one? Because here we are learning so many things, but whenever necessary you are learning. Suppose 1 minute wait only. Now, for example, this is what one morning 7:30 back. Okay, observe it here. Here in SQL language side, first fundamental I will tell you one of the stages. Okay, don't write it, just observe it here. I'm showing only these are all the things as one of the finished class. This one only joins, the concept is there or not. Just observe it fastly. Names left outer, right outer, full outer, maybe some Java developers are well known persons. Again, here constraints are available. These are big concepts, very interesting only. Not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check something is there or not. Yes, just observe it here. 1 minute only. Again, here subqueries, query then another query. So many things are there. Rank, dense rank, row underscore number, lag, lead, analytical functions, row num, so many things are there. Technically, you don't have an idea. These are all the things. Okay, one of the stage, these are all the things. You are very good knowledge. Because I'm so experienced person, I will tell you very clearly all the things only. Okay, yeah, here. Now then only sequences, okay, view, so many things are there. DCL, TCL, so many things. So don't worry. One of the stage you are an experienced person means 1 minute observe here. Anybody Java developers are there in our class? Here Unix or Java developers are, you are good at what? Regular expressions. In a Oracle side also, regular expressions are there in a 10G onwards. This is also better to know. Observe here. Most powerful. Regular expressions, POSIX notations, plus meaning is different, star meaning is different, question meaning, question mark meaning is different. These are special symbols in every language in the world, but software language side. And also, in this case, you are observing or not, mail ID validation, PAN card validation, Aadhaar card validation. In India, Aadhaar card is there, no? Yeah, so now Aadhaar card validations. This type, phone number validation, these type of things we are learning only. Okay, don't worry. Again, PLSQL, observe here, 1 minute only. Just here, PLSQL. After SQL, we are learning about this PLSQL, procedural language extension for SQL. PLSQL introduction, cursor is a concept is there in that one. Exception, try, catch, throw finally is there, no normal languages, C++, Java, like this, that much of difficulty is not there. Runtime errors we are handling means some simple exceptions are there. Again, here in this case, stored procedure is a concept is there. Only this concept you have an idea enough. Java, .NET, Python developer side. Only pure database programmers means more concepts. Otherwise, Java, .NET, Python, these type of front-end developers means compulsory there. Compulsory, mandatory. We are learning about stored procedure. Mandatory. How much importance means we are learning. Then stored procedure, stored functions, triggers, packages, types, bulk bind. These are all the advanced concepts actually. Suppose why I am telling you this much of syllabus means maybe some fellows are struggling to get a job in a Java, .NET, Python because they are not good at coding. They are learning a properly PLSQL means advanced concepts. They have an idea these type of things. Index per table, nested table, VRA, bulk alert. These all the things means they are getting easily job only. Why? Because so many fellows are doesn't know this much of depth only. That's why at least you have an idea means oh interview are impressed. Okay, yeah, this person a very good knowledge in a subject. You are taking in a project only. That much of powerful subject always very important only. Okay, dynamic SQL also 1 minute observe here. There are so many things are there. Yes, here dynamic SQL is there. Yeah, here we are learning about these all the things only. Okay, that's why always just at least observe it here. If you want to operate a what Oracle, then we are using a what? Okay, now here, yes. Then okay, if you want to operate a what data in a database, then we are using a which languages? SQL, PL, SQL, dynamic SQL. Okay, yeah. This is a demo class. Concentrate. Don't disconnect only 5 minutes. 5 minutes at least. This is a first demo class, no small thing. Important concept. Now I will tell you. First 5 minutes concentrate today. 5 minutes at least. Why? Because so many fellows are in a worldwide confusing one stage in a database side. That is today I will ask one question. You are telling me it's really great. Observe it here. 5 minutes concentrate. Very interesting. Suppose at least one technical concept I will tell you demo class also. Now check it out. Concentrate. Don't disconnect. Observe it here. Suppose I am working in a company. Beautiful concept. Very interesting. So many fellows are confusing here only. Suppose I am working in a company. I am a Oracle programmer. For example, in a Oracle database, I am working. For example, my colleagues also, I am also operating our data. This is a database, some place only. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. My colleagues also, I am also operating our data in this Oracle database. Then we are using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. This is everyone knows. Okay. Na? Yeah. Up to now, more clear. Now concentrate. But software companies means so many projects are there. Suppose, for example, in my company, another database product is there. That is also popular database product. What is that project means? SQL server. Same like a Oracle, SQL server is a database product. Anybody having idea? That is a Microsoft product. This project also, this is also database product, same like a Oracle only, same like a Oracle, but different company product. That is a SQL server product. This is also relational data model product. Okay, I'm agree. But some developers are working in a way this SQL server only. Those persons also operating our data in this database by using a which language? Very good. SQL is a language, same language only. Observe here only twist is there. Suppose SQL server maybe who are good means .NET programmers are there, no? Otherwise Power BI programmers are there, no? They are good at what? Microsoft product, SQL server. Okay. Again, some fellows are working in a where MySQL. This is also one of the popular relational data model product. That is open source nowadays. Oracle is for purchasing. Now, this MySQL project, for example, some fellows are, this is also database product, same like Oracle only, same like SQL server. Some fellows are working in a where in this MySQL product, they are also operating a data by using a what? Which language? SQL is a language. Okay, na? SQL is a language. Now tell me, frankly, correctly tell me, these all SQL languages are same or different? Only one answer is correct. I'm confusing. Maybe you have an idea, means tell me. These all SQL languages are same or different? Very good. So many fellows are confusing here only. These all SQL languages are same or different? Anybody? Java, .NET, Python, A developers are there in academic careers. Those persons may be having idea. Same or different? Very good. So many fellows are telling a wrong answer. Same they are telling wrong answer, not same. These are all SQL languages are not same. Very, very important. Not same. What is this one? Why so many Java developers in our class, they are telling a wrong answer? Same means maybe academic career side. Yes, any database they are learning means insert, update, delete, select. Some statements are there. No, those statements similar syntaxes are there. That's why maybe they are thinking about Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL. These all database side SQL language same. They are thinking. Okay, 4 or 5 commands are initial commands are same syntax is there, but these all SQL languages are not same. How you are given the guarantee? These all SQL languages are not same means very good. So many fellows are telling a what correct answer. Great. How they are telling a what? Now here yes correct answers means I will tell you now. Simple technique is there. Observe here. These all SQL languages are not same. Anybody technical persons are there in our class, Java, C++, .NET, they have an idea, little bit of knowledge means they are identifying only these all SQL languages are not same. How means? Simple. Screen observe it again, 5 minutes concentrate. Fast I will tell you. Don't disconnect. Observe it here. How you are given the guarantee means concentrate here. Simple technique is there. Suppose C++ is a one powerful object oriented language. You have an idea, no? Maybe academic career side. Another so many powerful object oriented languages are there. So many fellows are good at Java is a object oriented language. Okay, anybody technical persons are there, 5 minutes concentrate. Through this one we are comparing, then easily remembering. Suppose in a C++, that is object oriented language, that's why OOPS concepts are there, object oriented features are there. What are the OOPS concepts are there? Everyone knows, maybe they have an idea. Oh, in a bookish knowledge, what is object they are telling, what is class they are telling. Again, these are object oriented features. Any non-technical persons, don't worry, just observe it here. Inheritance is a concept is there. Again, polymorphism is a concept is there. Again, in a Java also object oriented language also, in that one also object oriented features are there. Okay, na? Yeah. What are the features are there? Same. So now here also object is there. Here also class is there. Here also inheritance is there. Here also encapsulation is there. Here also so now polymorphism is there. That is everyone knows. Okay, fine. Observe here. Conceptually, what is object, what is class, what is inheritance? Same. Okay, I'm agree. But I am a technical person. Tell me correctly, anybody in our class creating an object, creating what is object, what is class? I am not telling in this class. Just observe it here technically. Creating an object from the class means what is the syntax in a C++? Very good. What is the syntax means? Observe it here. Very good. Class name. Class name space object name. Correct. Very good. Correct. Observe it here. Don't write it. Class name space object name is a what? A syntax. Correct. But same syntax I try to use in a where in a Java working. No, different syntax. Observe it here. Creating an object in a technical persons are there. Tell me, creating an object from the class means. So now what is the syntax? Very good. Yes, some fellows are telling class name. Java side. In a Java programmers are they tell me class name space object name is equal to new class constructor. Okay, na? Yeah. That's why syntactically different or not? Very good, different. But conceptually, what is object in these two languages are same or not? Yes. Syntactically different. But conceptually, what is what in a OOPS feature side? Same. And also, functions also different. Suppose in a C++, anybody have an idea? If you want to display stream output means which function is there? Cout is a function is there. Okay, na? Yes, same function you are using in a Java working. No, this is different language. That's why if you want to display stream output means maybe system.out.println something is there. No, yeah, this is a function only. That's why functions are different or same. Different. Syntaxes are different or same in these two languages. Different. But whoops, features are conceptually same or not? Same. Same thing is there here also. Now check it out. Check it out here. Here, Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, these are relational data model products. If you want to operate these relational data model products, now we are using one universal language. What is that language? SQL is a language, but unfortunately, screen observe it. Don't disconnect. 2 minutes at least. Fastly I will tell you. Yes, time is over also. 2 minutes. Okay, 1 minute or 2 minutes only. Very important. Observe it here. Here, SQL is a ANSI standard language actually. American National Standard Institute defining some standards. Yes, that is called ANSI standard language. Now you are understandable. SQL is a ANSI standard language which works with all relational database. I'm agree, but here slight difference is there. Screen observe. Screen observe. From this ANSI standard SQL, screen observe, very important. Same like a Java, same like a .NET, observe here. From this ANSI standard SQL, Oracle Corporation created their own SQL language. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. That's why in our class we are learning about which language? Oracle SQL. Oracle SQL. Again, Microsoft product creating a what? Microsoft company creating a what? Their own SQL language from this ANSI standard SQL. That is called what? SQL Server SQL. That's why who are working in a .NET, who are working in a Power BI, those persons are learning a what? SQL Server SQL. Difference. Again, from this ANSI standard SQL, MySQL creating their own SQL language. That is called what? MySQL SQL. But in our class, we are learning a what? Oracle SQL language. But these all SQL languages conceptually same like a object-oriented feature, conceptually same. What is table? What is procedure? What is trigger? What is package? What is function? What is index? What is synonym? Same conceptually, but syntactically different, and also functions also different. Functions same like object oriented features are there, no? Yeah, same like C++ Java, syntactically different and functions also different. Suppose anybody performing arithmetic operations on null values, again it will becomes a null in every database also. If you want to operate a what, that one, I am a Oracle programmer, I am using a what, which function? Printf, scanf functions are there in C language. Same like Oracle side, which function? NVL is a function through I am operating. Same problem is there in SQL Server also. How they are rectifying that problem? NVL function through? Impossible. Yes, they are using a what? Is null is a function. That's why functions are different. Again, same problem is there in a where MySQL database also. In arithmetic operation of perform null values, again it will become a null. In that case, they are using a what? Which function? If null is a function. That's why functions are different or not? Yes. That's why SQL is an ANSI standard language which works with all relational database. But unfortunately, from that ANSI standard SQL, Oracle created their own SQL language. Teradata created their own SQL language. SQL Server created their own SQL language. MySQL created their own SQL language. These all SQL languages conceptually same, but syntactically different, and functions also totally different. Understood this one? Very good. So many fellows are first only they are telling great. Okay na? Yeah, very good. Understood? Any newcomers? Yes, very good. Correct. Okay na? Yeah, here. That's why in a Oracle side, SQL language and a PLSQL you are learning in a future. PLSQL side stored procedures are there, no? Same like SQL Server database side, SQL language and TSQL is there. In that TSQL only stored procedure, these all the things we are learning. Don't worry. Okay, na? Yeah, that's why in our class in a tomorrow onwards, you are learning about son of your Oracle SQL language. Okay, na? Yeah. Up to this one. Understood this one? Very good. Don't miss those classes. These are we are announcing suddenly in a free classes only because market, okay, based on some special situation. Okay, na? Yeah, here also so many concepts I will tell you, but whatever knowledge is there, utilize that one only. Okay, na? In a previous, so many students only learning about the same thing in a way they're paying amount 3,500 or like that only, but we are announcing last 3 or 4 batches onwards free only. Okay, na? Yeah, utilize this knowledge only and don't miss the classes. Why? Because once you are good at what confidence level, how you are writing about queries and all these things, then only you are missing classes also not a problem. YouTubes are there, otherwise our class notes are there, otherwise video classes are there. Through that one you are understandable, but first only very important. Okay, yeah, up to some stage. Okay, that's why self-learning also not a problem. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this demo class. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. Again, another batch is there, 6 and 7. Okay. Thank you. Tomorrow continue.